going on? My name is FimeMD and I'm a user experience designer in Toronto. I have an amazing content for you guys. It pretty much gets by the title. I am going to redesign my startup website called Ziboom.com. Now before we get into this, I want to let you guys know that I have made a video already where I have already started the process of redesigning my startup website Ziboom.com. That video is called card sorting. So it's right here. Alright, so this is my YouTube channel. You go down here to UX UI designer vlog. It will look like this right now. All you gotta do is click right here. 1, 2, and it's this video right here. That's what the thumbnail looks like. I hope that makes sense. Okay, so let's begin. If you did not watch the part 1 video where the title is called card sorting, which I've just mentioned, I'm going to do a quick comparative research with you guys so you guys can see my first process. My first thing is I'm gonna check out my website, which I know inside and out. I got the search engines right here. I have the logo, small tagline about the website. I have the social media links here, top links here, login, my account, the marketing ad, and then 1, 2, which is similar content, but it's just changed with explore more Muslim businesses in Toronto. Best halal restaurants in Toronto. I thought this would be effective when a brand new user comes to my website. They do click around the site a lot, which is great. But let me tell you why it's also bad after when I tell you what else I have here. So as you can see, explore Ziboom, which is all the category: halal restaurant, halal food, halal fast food, halal dessert, shisha cafe, shopping, blah blah. And then at the bottom you got explore neighborhoods. It's just links of cities and neighborhoods in the greater Toronto area, and then what people are talking about. And obviously at the bottom it's just footer stuff. Okay, so the good thing is there's a lot of important-ish content here. Like this is important here and that's important here. This is like not so much, not so much, not so much, and obviously you need a footer. However, I've asked a lot of people who have visited my site for the first time in 2018 and 19, and what I found out is that the most common feedback was there's just too much content on your homepage, which is this right here. Therefore, it's kind of hard to pick and choose where you want to go, and I want to help improve that. That's why we're doing the redesign. Hope that makes sense. Okay, so let's begin. I'm going to look at the comparative websites. We got Yellow Pages, which is very famous in Canada. We got Zomato, famous in Canada, and we got Yelp, very famous in Canada. My startup website, Ziboom.com, it's literally very similar to Yelp. The only difference is I provide listings, like directory listings, for the Muslim consumers in Canada, and Yelp just does it for everyone. And the difference between Yelp and Zomato is only about food, and obviously Yelp is about everything: food, home cleaners, and painters, and so on and so forth. I pretty much the same thing. Like aside from food, I got education, automotive, beauty and spa, women's clothing, shopping, mass media, which is like agencies, professional services, so on and so forth. Yellow Pages is also local directory site in Canada, and they're also in different countries as well, pretty big, and so is Yelp and Zomato. Obviously, for now, I only focus in Toronto and the cities around Toronto. Okay, so the only reason why I've said all this is because you guys did not watch the part 1 video. So you're welcome. Okay, so what am I gonna do? What is the thing that's very consistent compared to these websites? I'm not too fond of Yellow Pages, so Yellow Pages will be useful for me somewhere at the bottom here. So let's just take this page out and only focus on Zomato and Yelp. Currently, Yelp has been following Zomato a lot in terms of their UI UX strategies. Therefore, Zomato is a great site for that. They have beautiful content, images, and their UX flow is amazing. Their icons here, look at that. That's sexy. So I think Yelp is trying to follow that routine as well. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look at this site and this site with you guys. So let's check this out. So what do they have in common? At the top, you see they have login and create an account, logo, background image, small text about the website, and then you got this search engine. That's it. So this is what we're gonna focus on, and this is what I'm going to design on Adobe XD today, because to create a full redesign will be like a 10-hour video, so let's not do that. All right, so Yelp has pretty much the same thing. Yelp has a logo, background image, search engine. It has links at the top, login, sign up, write a review, event, talk, and I don't know what this is. Okay, that's weird. And that's it. And at the bottom, you'll see like Yelp Toronto and, you know, content just at the bottom. This content is very good because it gets refreshed every day. Like this one here gets refreshed every day. This also gets probably by weekly, and every time there's a new shop, it gets applied here. Most of the content at the bottom are just like SEO purposes. If you have a page that gets updated every day or every week, it tells the search engines, Yahoo, Google, and Bing, that, hey, listen, my page, my web page, for example, this right here, which is the main page, it gets updated daily. So therefore, your users will be interested in it, and my ranking should go higher, which is what it does. That's why you'll see Yelp.ca and Zomato has the same thing. Like, these cards here, they get changed every probably few months. The content here gets changed, you know, every week or two, or maybe even per day. These are the top reviewers, photographers, bloggers, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm surprised that they didn't do more than that. Like I said, let's focus at the top here. I don't really do wireframes much unless if I'm having a very difficult time designing something and I need to understand that UX process. Since this is my website, I'm skipping the wireframe, going straight to the design. Here's what we're gonna do. I like the fact that there's a nice background at the back. It kind of tells already what the website is about. I love the fact that the search engine is in the middle. I like the fact how the logo is also in the middle. So these two concepts I'm pretty much going to apply, and I'm going to work somewhere. Obviously at the top is what I have, so I might leave this as is. Now in terms of my category links, I want to get rid of it and do something like I want to do something like, see, I don't want to do this because I know my users will miss it. I want to apply it like at the bottom like that. I want to get rid of this and somehow convert it into something like that, or yeah, or something like this. And I might do this, I'm not sure. This is good to have for search engine optimization purposes, those links there. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have this or that. Recent activity is great, I will definitely apply that. And I don't know about this, and this is very similar. I'm not gonna have this because I don't have an app. And the footer, I'm not doing this. I'm gonna keep it. I like this. This is very neat, but I'm probably gonna leave it as this, like at the bottom. What people are talking about, I'm going to convert it into something like this: recent activity, because this is what people are pretty much also talking about. The recent, you know, ratings and how they took pictures and all that good stuff. I want to keep this, and I also want to keep this because I know it'll be very good for SEO, but I gotta figure out a way to make it more entertaining and not like all over the place. So yeah, I want to make my search engine very powerful. So like even Google has the search engine in the center, so I want to make it something like this. I just want to take this concept, do it something like that with the background on it. So let's begin. All right, so let's open up XD. Let's click on web. Are you loading? Yes, you are. Okay, let's call this. Oops, there we go. Let's call this main. I have a new logo, by the way, so I'm gonna apply that. Okay, so let's work on the banner. So let's take this guy here. Make it go all the way across here. Let's see, navigation space should be something like that. These guys will go right here. I'll get rid of that. I just want to make this black for a second. I got the logo right here. Oh wow, that's amazing. Okay, that could work. Okay, why don't we use the new grid lines? There we go. Awesome. And wait a second, what? Take this 2 2 4 2 4. Bang, beautiful. Also make sure that we are good. Okay, there we go. Madness. Okay, so according to the grid, it said that it's saying, should I bring it here or should I bring it there? So this is a challenge. All right, let's just do that. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna put it here. And I'm gonna break the content down. If I'm working here, I'm gonna put it like oops, come on, there we go. I'm probably gonna have my content up to here. Okay, so I got the logo stuff here. How big do I want this? Height, let's do 500. I don't really want this big though. I'm not sure if I actually want it that big. Let's check right. Where do I see this height? The height here is 570. Okay, let's see how 570 looks like. No man, this is way too big. Zometo has a smaller, so you know what? There, I feel like this is so much better. Yeah. Okay, so let's just duplicate this guy. You never know. What the hell? There we go. Just leave it up there. Okay, awesome. Now let's work on a background image. I'm gonna go to Unsplash. And I might do fast food because that's more catchy. So now here's the thing. I provide halal food on my website. So, oh, this is great. There we go. That was fast. So I want to put a picture in the background that indicates it's a halal food. There we go. Bang. This is nice. Okay, so let's do something like that. What else do I want? I like the fact that how I have the logo at the top here, and I don't want the center point. How Yelp has it, and even Zometo. So I'm gonna leave the logo here. Yeah, I think that's better. I like how there's a login and create an account here. I like this part here. Maybe my account, I might get rid of it. Write a review is nice. Events, I don't have anything. Talk, I don't know what that is. I don't care to apply it. So let's do this. Let's do what's more important to me. Not me, like what do I want the users to do? I want them to write a review. I want to write a review. Okay, I like this to be Roberto. Since this is desktop, and maybe 17. I'm only doing this part here, so I know the size and everything for my links. It's a little bit of a, it's not so much of a cheat that I do, but it's just a relief that I don't have to worry about the sizes. I think write a review is nice. Okay, let's do, it's gonna be way too small. I think, no, I don't want that to overpower the logo. Yeah, I think, you know what, 18 is better. Let's just take this guy out for a second. Yeah, 18 is much better. The darkness, I want to do 4848. Yeah, that's what I've saved before. Save this guy here. Go to your components, add him there, and add him there. Logo, where is it? There we go. Gotcha. Cool. I want to do login and sign up, or create an account, login. Yelp has a login and sign up, and Zometo has login and create an account. They're both great. There's no right or wrong answer. What do I have? I have login with Facebook and create an account. I'm just gonna keep it simple. Since I have created an account in my current site, I'll do it there as well. Okay. Oh, I also want people to know what my site is. So what is Ziboom? This is more like about page. Okay, go here. I think sign in is the first one, or sign up. Sign up? No, login. There we go. So login. Yeah, let's do login. Log in and create an account. There we go. Let's just ungroup this for a second. You go right there, like that. Bang. Beautiful. Madness. Okay. Okay, let's see. This is good, not bad, but I'm still not a fan of it. I feel like the height over here is too small, maybe? I don't know. Okay, so that's that. We're gonna go back to this in a bit. So now I want this to stand out a lot. You know what? Let's just bring it down a bit like that. See, so much better now. And there. I like this idea. I like the fact that it has a blurb in there, so I'm going to apply that and then I'll do the search engine. So let's do that. Let's take this guy, put it right here. Let's go right here. I might change my H1 tag to something else. I do not know what right now, but this is just going to be an example. I'll worry about the actual wording later. Okay, so we're gonna do, I don't know, 30. Let's do bold, or 40. 40 is better. Okay, that's the max. Bold, got it here. It doesn't really stand out. I need to probably add like a black gradient above this image so my content, like this text and the search engine, can stand out. Let's do drop shadow. That's not bad. Okay, so let's do 2, maybe 3. I still cannot see it. 22. No. What? 30? Okay, let's just keep it as 40 right now. Alright, is this nice and center? Yes, it is. Let's check our best friend right here. What is he telling us? This is fine. It's telling us that leave it like this, right? Yeah, okay, there we go. This is really bothering me, by the way. This is really bothering me. Login. I want my create an account to really stand out. I might make it a button or something. I don't know. Like something like that. Like, see, like create an account is a button here. Sign up is also a button here. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna make that into a button. Let's see how we're gonna do that, but we're gonna come back to it later. I like how there's like a black, I think, transparent in here, which makes the content stand out. I think they did the same, so let's try that. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is I'm gonna just click Control X or Command X, whatever works with you guys. And this is why we always duplicate stuff and leave it outside, because it's just in case. All right, so got that. I'm gonna make it to 40. Okay, this is great. I'm gonna get rid of this grid for a second because I need to concentrate. I'm gonna apply that. See, so much better. Might go a little bit here because if this is the browser, I don't want, yeah, so if this is the browser, I want the users to know there's more content after this, what do you call it, like the header. So I want to show some content at the bottom here, which we'll worry about that later. Video part 3. Yeah. Okay, now I want to try something else for a second. Let's do that. I like that. Let's do, yeah, there we go. Can we just make this guy go all the way up again? Like that. Something is missing. Let's add this color. Okay. I'm gonna make this guy 0. I'm gonna make this guy, but I'm gonna make this person maybe 50. 50 is good, yeah, it's awesome. And I'm gonna make this person maybe go like black. There we go, that's what I'm talking about. 100, or should I go 50? Okay, let's make it something like this. I really want my search engine to stand out, and also the links I'm gonna have below it, like the categories. Okay, let's do that. I'm very happy with this. Okay, so let's lock it. Control L, or if you're using Mac, I don't know why, it's Command L. Okay, sorry, Mac disk, don't kill me. Now I'm gonna go right here and figure out the sizes of these guys used for their box. It's telling me it's 480. I don't know if you guys just saw that. Let's try it again right here. So it's telling me that it's 480. Okay, I'm gonna go here, make it like that, get rid of the background. So I might do it like this. This is way too big, the width, so let's make it 900. And no, you know what, let's make it like that. The height, I don't like it to be like this. Let's do 100. 50? No, too small. Maybe somewhere a little bit higher. Let's do 75. Let's do it like this, and I want the color of green to go. This is the time where I make it all zaboomy. So okay, I want this exact search engine style. There we go, found it. Yes. Let's take this guy, dip, and is this locked? Yes, this is locked. Okay, so what size is this? This is telling me it's 50. I don't know, let's not worry about that right now. Okay, so what I like here is I'm just gonna leave this dude right there. I'm gonna ungroup everything, and I'm just gonna take the search and put it right there. Okay, perfect. And I wanna just make, how skinny is that? That's quite skinny. Okay, so I'm just gonna go like this much, should be good. Perfect. All right, and I'm gonna do another one. Okay, so I'm gonna put restaurant and all the names here, and location can go right there. Awesome. I believe I can extend this just like that. What font are you? You're okay, you're good. I will take him. Oops, like that. And this right stuff. See if it should be like, let's do 65%. There we go. Gotcha. Okay, so on their search engine they have search restaurants or cuisines. I like this style: burgers, barbers, spas, and handyman. So let's do something like that. So when the users come to my site, I want them to know what is halal and what is Muslim owned. So popular stuff: pizza, dental, spas, shisha, obviously. And you can also name a restaurant. So let's do D-Spot. The reason why I can easily come up with this on top of my head is because I've had this site for more than 5 years. 17 is good. Yeah, 17 is good. Should we make it regular? Should we make it medium? I don't know. I think regular is fine. Yeah, whatever. I want this search icon. Let's do the search icon right there. Something like that. Like that, and boom. You know what? This is way too big. I'm just gonna make it to like 30. Yeah, so much better. What was I thinking? Why didn't you guys tell me? Let's do something like that. Center this guy. Boom. This is way better. Group it for a second. And center it, ungroup it. Yeah, I think this needs to be a little bit more skinnier. Let's do like, 3, 2. Yeah, better. There we go. And you can just come right here. We're gonna center you up. Beautiful. I want to add a drop shadow. This just looks weird here. Oh. Okay, there we go. 16 is good. Yeah, I think this is good. It's definitely standing out. Just get rid of this for a second. Okay. I will definitely get my SVG icon, so please do not kill me for that right now. And I'm gonna move this guy right here. Straightforward. It's pretty much the same concept that I currently have on my website, and this will be defaulted based on the current location you're in. So for me, it will be Toronto, Ontario. That's it. All right, so I do not need you guys, so bye bye. Okay, so now this is looking good. This thing's eating my brain, so you get the hell out of here. You can just go right there, and let's work on you guys for a bit. You know what? I'm just gonna go with sign up. So log in, and then no, you know what? Let's see. Oops, get out of here. Go like that. Let's zoom in here. Copy paste. I will make you white. Gotta break them. Get lost. Come here and go all the way across. Maybe like this. Center, center, boom. This is way too big. What size was this? This was 14 point. Whoa, that's a weird size. Okay, so let's make these guys 17. Yeah, let's do 15. Yeah, 15 is so much better right now. And you can go like that. What is the boom? And right, review. Okay. I feel like I'm gonna go back to let's go on the grid for a second. I might need to change some things up. I'm just gonna make this guy go right there, and I'm gonna do the same thing right here, which means you can go somewhere. Yeah, there we go. Take the grid out for a second. Oops, there we go. Awesome. Bang. What do you guys think? I love it. I love it. Okay, this is what we have so far. I'm gonna put category links. Let's make this white. White. What happened? What? Oh, there we go. Okay. So what I'm gonna do here is instead of listing them all like this, I will do something like that. I'm really digging this, by the way. I'm really digging this, and I think I'm gonna use the same icons. Gotta keep it consistent. I will have halal food. So what I'm doing this time is I'm gonna take all of these guys and put them under one category. I'm gonna create another one. I will have an icon beside it, but not right now. This should be shoppings, like all Muslim retail stores. Here could be like health and fitness, which is very active on my page on the website. I'm taking all of this category selections based on the data that I have received on my site for the last 4 or 5 years. So these are the most popular categories that users on my website go to. So I'm not just making them up. If it's your first time and you need categories, just predict the ones that you believe are going to be popular, especially if you're going to sort them out like this, like not display all of them, but have all of them displayed in a separate page or something like that. But you want to put like a top 5. Make a very strong judgment call. Obviously visit other websites that sort of have the same idea as yours. Do comparative research, which is what I'm doing. More local categories. I think I'm right. Yeah. So now where do I get my icons? I get my icons from the nounproject.com. I'll put a link to that on the description below. This is not a paid sponsorship or anything like that. They provide free icons, or you can even pay for them. I've been using them for 6-7 years. Can't really remember. And right now I'm looking for an icon that will represent food. Let's do dinner. There we go. I think that's good. And see, you can do it as PNG or SVG. SVG is ideal. You can just go right here and bang, click and drag. What the heck happened here? This has never happened. Okay, glue them together, make them white. Not them, make it white. And FYI, I made a video about grid and how to use it, so if anyone is interested, check it out. It's gonna come up right now. See that circle thingy? Yeah, you can click on that and come back to this video after. Okay. And this is why I'm just doing this top part right now and not anything at the bottom. It will be a 10-hour video. That's madness. See, if this happens, which means I need to, whoa, 40, let's just do 45. There we go. Now you can see it better. And there we go. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna get all these guys. Group them. One. Together. Oops. Alright, so this looks great. Just gonna do that just in case. See, this is really bothering me. I think I'm just gonna do sign up. Yeah, this is so much better. Like, what was it thinking? So you guys can see I'm using my grid lines and also my grid columns to design this. This is what I've come up with. Currently, this is what my site looks like. So if you go to Zoom.com, you will see the look of this. So I pretty much removed everything from here in the center. I crunched this up and I categorized them right here. I've taken this tagline and the search over here, the tooltips and pull downs and how that's gonna look. I do that when I've completed my design. My drop downs are gonna be the same as is right here. Okay, man. So this was a lot. I hope you guys watched all of this. Take it away, Flame. Oh boy, I've never designed that long for you guys, but I hope you guys really like this part. I'm going to be doing more of these type of designs where I can show you guys my experience and how I do it in Adobe XD. So if you guys really like this, give this video a big thumbs up, and if you haven't, please subscribe and click on that bell icon. On the next video, we're going to focus the UI design content that we will have after that header section. Thank you so much for watching. My name is FlameMD and I'm a user experience designer in Toronto. Peace out.